Hello everyone, my name is Miss Madrarua, but you can call me Maddie, and welcome to True Corset's Corset School. Today, we're going to talk about a few extra ways to make sure you get the maximum benefit out of wearing your corset. First, I want to mention dieting in relation to your corset, and how a corset can affect your eating habits. As you've probably noticed throughout your life, when you eat, your body expands. You may have especially noticed this while wearing a particularly tight dress, or even more noticeably, a corset. While this could be uncomfortable if you're not used to it, there's actually a way to use it to your advantage. The key is to think of your corset like a lap band. The corset restricts your midsection and keeps you from eating as much as normal. It's like built-in portion control to keep you from overeating. This is called the Corset Diet and is surprisingly effective. However, while you may be restricted from eating a whole bunch all at once, it's very important to make sure that you're getting your proper nutrients every single day. So try eating 5 or 6 smaller meals all spread out. It's also very important that you're staying hydrated. A lot of people confuse thirst with hunger and neglect their daily water intake, especially while wearing a corset. Now, you may be asking, well, if a corset can help with my diet, can it help with my exercise? Unfortunately, a corset is not recommended for use while exercising. However, True Corset does offer another solution. This is a faja, or a latex waist trainer. You may have seen something like this on Kim Kardashian and other gym-going celebrities. This type of garment is safe for use during exercise, but it's always important to listen to your body and take breaks if you need. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell to be notified of all our new uploads. I'll see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!